Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, I'm going to show you two examples of picture-perfect gap trades from this morning. One was a 6% winner and one was a 2% winner, not measured in hours or days, but measured in minutes. Before we go over the charts of each one, I want to first explain exactly what gap trading is. As traders, we need opportunity. To find opportunity, we need stocks that are moving in the morning trading session. When stocks are gapping higher or lower at the opening bell, that creates opportunity. And the opportunity for traders is when they can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, traders learn everything they need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. What criteria do we use? Which stocks does this work the best with? What kind of volume do we look for on these stocks? How much of a gap higher or lower are we looking for? How do you trade the specific stocks? What type of profit target are we looking for? What type of stop loss limitation are we looking for? And most importantly, and here's the holy grail, how do you calculate the specific price levels where these stocks will first be drawn to and have that price reaction from in the other direction, creating the profitable opportunity that we're looking for each and every day? Now, the other thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even open for business. Here's a copy of the email that went out this morning. As you can see, it arrived at 9 a.m. on the button. Out of this list, this morning we had 7 potential morning gap trades on the board. Now keep in mind, we don't expect all the stocks on the list to hit their specific price levels. However, when they do, we know it's a high probability trade. It's a money trade. We only want the highest probability trades on the board. We only want to take the trades at our prices that we calculate because we know with a high degree of certainty that we're going to win most of the trades most of the time. So on this list, the first one that hit its level was Dollar Tree DLTR. Gap lower. Support levels are 88.13, 86.82, and 85.12. Stop and profit target is about 40 to 75 cents. These are minimum profit targets. I'll explain more about that when we get back to the chart. And by the way, when I give 2 or 3 separate support or resistance levels for a stock, these are all separate and independent trade levels from one another. There are plenty of times where we get multiple trades on the same stock in the same day. It almost happened on Dollar Tree today. It didn't quite get to the second level. I'll explain more when we get to the chart. The second stock that hit its level today was Abercrombie & Fitch, ANF. Gap higher. Resistance levels are $23.65 and $25.24. Stop and profit target is about 20 to 50 cents. Again, minimum profit targets. And that'll become very clear, and I'll explain further when we go to the chart of ANF. So we're back on a 5-minute chart of Dollar Tree. And here's what's important. Yesterday, the stock closed all the way up at $104.36. It was getting smashed at the open, obviously qualifying for one of our morning gap trades. You see on the screen the horizontal line at $88.13. What happened? Just a few minutes into the trading day, the stock came down, made a low of 88 even, just 13 cents below the level, and had an immediate price reaction in the other direction, making a high just within 10 minutes of $89.88. That represents a $1.75 gain in just minutes of trading. That represents also a 2% gain. All this happened within 20 minutes of the trading day. And you can see what happened. The stock began to trade lower after it gave us the first trade. I thought it might come down to the second level, give us another trade, but it never got there. And you can see now as I make this video, the stock is at 88.88. so it's trending higher. And what that does is it shows you the importance of this $88 level, the price level we calculated. And by the way, these are the same price levels that any trader that's taken the course at Lazy Gap Trader is able to calculate and come up with on their own each and every day. This goes to show you the importance of this 88.13 level. The stock came right into it, bounced off of it, came below it, fought back, and now is above that level. Shows you the power and importance of these price levels. Folks, you can do this each and every day for yourself for the remainder of your trading career. Let's take a look at another one. ANF, Abercrombie and Fitch. Before we discuss this one, I want to point something else out that's extremely important. What sets this apart from other strategies, and by the way, where else can you get price targets that work like this? You see these videos on YouTube each and every day. I make them over and over again. I show you the price levels. I show you the charts. I show you the trades. You see it work over and over and over again. But what sets this apart from other strategies that may exist out there is the why behind the strategy. What traders learn is why this works. Once they understand why these price levels work, why this strategy works, they have a completely different outlook on trading. They have a different confidence level when taking these trades because they have a certain expectation of what's going to happen at these price levels. That changes your trading from this point forward. Once you understand the why behind this strategy, I assure you, you'll never trade the same way ever again. All right, back to ANF. You can see what happened. The stock closed yesterday all the way down at $21.34. The stock was gapping higher at the open, so we were looking for a resistance point where the stock would find resistance and have a price reaction downward. That creates a short trading opportunity. The level identified, and you saw in the email, was $23.65. Look what happened. The stock made a high in the first 10-minute candle of the day at $23.65, and just minutes later, the stock made a low of $22.16. That's a tremendous pullback in minutes worth of trading. Both these trades took place and were complete within the first 20 minutes of the trading day. This one represents a $1.49 gain in just minutes. That's also 6.3% maximum gain in just minutes worth of trading. Folks, this is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. Come over to Lazy Gap Trader, check out the course, learn how to do this for the rest of your life. And most importantly, learn why this works. It'll change your trading from this point forward. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.